In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem promo codes in Google Play. If you've received a Google Play promo code or gift code and you're not sure where to enter it, don't worry. The process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can redeem your code without any confusion. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the credit, reward, or promotion to be applied. This is important because once a code is redeemed, it usually applies to the account currently active in the Play Store. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This opens the main account menu where you'll find several options related to purchases, subscriptions, and account settings. From that menu, tap Payments and Subscriptions. This is the section where Google Play groups together payment methods, purchase activity, and redemption options. After that, look for the option labeled Redeem Code and select it. This will open the code entry screen. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the menu carefully, since the layout can look slightly different depending on your device or app version. The wording should still be very similar. Now enter your promo code or gift code into the field provided. Type it carefully and make sure there are no mistakes, especially with letters and numbers that may look alike. If you copied the code from somewhere, double check that there are no extra spaces before or after it. Once the code is entered correctly, tap Redeem. At that point, Google Play will process the code and apply the offer to your account. Depending on the type of code, this could add store credit, unlock a promotion, or apply a specific reward. If something doesn't work, the most common reasons are a mistyped code, an expired code, or a code that isn't valid in your region. And that's all there is to it. Open the Play Store, go to your profile, choose Payments and Subscriptions, select Redeem Code, enter the code, and tap Redeem. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat anytime you receive another code.